What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like if you love bags just like me. And yes, let's get started with the video. So today's video I want to talk about and compare two bags, which is the same bag but somehow different, and it is obviously a $25 replica bag that I got a while ago. And the reasoning of my purchase behind that was that I usually don't want to buy a bag that's like $2,000 or $1,000, so I end up buying the fake one or the replica one or the dupe, however you want to call it. And I test the time. Is it testing time? Test. Okay, you know what I mean. So my theory is if I actually see myself using it and use it enough, I will end up purchasing it with my money, with I'll ask as a gift or anything like that. However, I did end up purchasing this $25 bag from dhgate.com. I am not being sponsored by them. Howsoever, if you don't like replica bags, please exit out kindly, because this is a video for that. And I'm going to compare that fake one that I got a few months ago. I also made a video a while ago about that bag, but that bag, I've used it so much, so I ended up purchasing the real one. And I will be comparing both bags, and yes. So the other bag I ended up getting was last week. I bought it through this website called Net-a-Porter, and I got it because it was my graduation gift from my boyfriend, and my ceremony was canceled because of everything that's going on in the world. So it was a little upsetting and I couldn't celebrate with my family. So this was an achievement that I really worked so hard, and for me, I really wanted to walk down the aisle with my cap and gown, and I couldn't do that. So my boyfriend decided to splurge on something that would actually make me really happy. So I said, why not go ahead and actually buy the bag that I've been using every day as an authentic one, and actually love it. Like, I love the fake one. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be showing you both bags, okay? So let's go ahead and start with the Gucci Disco authentic one. So this is how the bag looks. It even has the tag because I just did an unboxing, but this is the bag. And it's obviously empty because it has the stuffing inside. And this is the $25 bag that I bought from DHgate. How crazy is that these two bags look like almost identical? Do you guys see that? So remember, this is the real one and this is the fake one. That is so crazy. Wait, something that I'm noticing. Okay, yeah. So that's that. Okay, so remember, this is the authentic one and this is the fake one. So I'm gonna put it like that. As you can see, they look very similar. And then I'll do it this side, wait, this side. And let's do the front again. Ah! Did I just scratch it? No. And then that's the front. It's crazy how these two bags look. They're so similar. I feel that this one is like a little bigger than the other one, but it's not. So let me start with my $25 bag. As you can see, it already has a scratch, but like I've said, I've been using this bag for some time, and I decided that it was time for a new bag once this started happening. Let me just show you. So it started breaking, obviously, for $25. I can't expect much. It's breaking on this side too. Let me just show you there. It's breaking here. I mean, and this bag, it lasted about, before obviously started breaking, I used it all summer last year. So about a year before it started breaking. I mean, and it still is, everything else is in intact condition besides that. But I mean, if I keep using it, I would give it like 3 more months and it'll end up breaking. Something that also started happening was this. It was breaking and Luna did not chew it off. And yeah, that's happening. Also, I noticed that the fake one, doesn't have like the back and forth how this one does. This one has like both sides and this one has only one side. That's the big difference. But you cannot really tell. Like, this is a really good replica, especially the pebble. It looks pretty surreal, guys. Do you see that? How it doesn't even, it's crazy. It looks identical. And the inside, oh, also here it started chipping on the top, but everything else is great. And obviously it's the same as this one here. Let's check. Oh, this one, it's also like that. It's the same. And is it, I feel this one, the fake one, is a little more darker than the real one, but it gets the work done. And it has 2 pockets as well. It has one right here and then another one right there. And yeah, so guys, here it is. Oh wait, well, we're getting tangled. Ah! So here we have it, both bags. This one's $25. If you guys want the link of this bag, I will send it to you in an email, because or else my video will get down. And yes, this one was $25. I'm not gonna say that it's still $25 because I'm not sure, but I will send it to you, the one I bought it, and just leave your email down below. And this is the authentic one that I paid $900 on Net-a-Porter. I saved about $300 purchasing this bag from the UK Net-a-Porter website. And yes, this is the 2 people. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a like, and don't forget to continue supporting my channel. I love you guys. Stay safe, blessed for you and your family, and until next time, bye guys.